Gaano kadali, gaano kahirap na natanggap ni Nathan, si VJ, and gaano kahirap at kadali na ikay natanggap bilang ina ni Ice, ang anak ni VJ from his previous relationship?
Siguro, Tito Boy, yung pagtanggap ni Nathan kay VJ, mas naging madali siya because when VJ came into our lives, he was about 4, 5 years old. So parang siya na talaga yung kinagisnan ni Nathan na tatay.
Okay.
Pagdating naman kay Ice, I met Ice when he was about 8 or 9 years old. And hindi ko kasi ipinilit yung sarili ko sa buhay niya. Kasi meron naman siyang nanay at meron siyang tatay. But I would say na siguro pagdating sa pagtanggap, I can't really speak for him.
Alright.
Pero ever since naman na nakilala ko yung batang yon, hindi naman niya ako tinrato na parang hindi niya nire-respeto bilang asawa o partner ng daddy niya.
Take me to that Mother's Day celebration. Sinulatan ka niya, and for the first time, tinawag ka niyang mom.
Yes.
How was that experience?
Alam mo, Tito Boy, I would say that nung umpisa ng relationship namin ni VJ, because we're a blended family, hindi siya madali. Kasi may mga tao na sa labas ng relationship namin na kailangang maging parte ng buhay namin for this to work. Because Ice now has 2 sets of parents. So, para sa akin, pinagdasal ko talaga na sana maging maayos yung relationship namin sa kanyang mommy at sa husband ng mommy niya. And you know, nung naramdaman ni Ice na gano'n, na we were really trying our best to collaborate and work together and that hindi kami estranged pagdating sa kanya, yun yung Mother's Day na sinulatan niya ako. Ang haba dito po siguro mga 2 pages na back-to-back. So medyo kinabahan din ako na parang ang dami naman niyang sinabi. But at the end of that message, ang sabi niya, hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi pa rin kita tinatawag na mommy when all this time you have always treated me as someone who is your own. So sabi lang niya doon, Happy Mother's Day, Mom. So yun, Tito Boy, it's really very special to me, even up to this day. Kasi ang pagiging ina, yung siguro kung meron mang na-reveal sa akin is that madaling magmahal ng sarili mong dugo. Pero yung mahalin ka ng batang hindi nanggaling sa'yo, walang kapantay yung pagmamahal at yung saya na naibibigay mo.
Balik lang ako sa Mommy Dearest at sa mga buhay na rin natin. James Manabat, your executive producer, is here. He wrote a song that has a line that goes, ikaw ang buhay dahil ikaw ang aking nanay. Bagya lamang, ano ang tama niyan? What does it mean to you?
Siguro because mothers are life givers.
Yeah.
And not only that, even as you are born into this world, your mother will always make sure that you are continuously given that life. Ano man yung best na kaya nilang ibigay. Kaya sila ang buhay, kasi hindi lang sila nagbigay ng buhay, but they also want to make sure that they give you the best that they can offer. Ano mang hirap yung pagdaanan, kapalit ng pagbibigay ng buhay.
Totally agree.